Well, okay, got everything mounted. No video on the actual mounting because kind of boring. I got this tank back up. The air lines are hooked up. These two need to be trimmed some more. One will go here. The other one will probably go here, and I'll put a plug here. Let's see here. I need one of these in 3/8. I'm gonna trim this. I just hooked it up because it was there, but yeah, that's how I mounted it. I just notched that out. It clears. It's an aluminum tank. I guess I could put the, I'll probably stick the battery box. That bracket that I got, I'm gonna have them redo it or make up a different one because it was too narrow. I didn't like the way it was gonna look. So, this is about all I can update. It's a slow process. I wish this truck was back running so I could drive it. Once I get it back anyway, I gotta get a, there's a oil leak back there. I need to have that fixed. I'm gonna let the shop take care of that. I need to shorten this positive cable because it's gonna be too long, and I'll need a new ground cable. But here's some 3/8 lines. I just need a couple of these. Actually, all I need is the ferrules and one of them fittings. But that part will be done. This thing's been sitting here too long. Anyway, if you watched all of this, thanks. I know it's not much, but I'm working on it slowly but surely. Stay tuned. There'll be other videos, some boring, some exciting, some educational. So hit the subscribe button. I'm trying to hit 1 million. I got a long way to go. So thank you.